already arrived, I request Mrs. Kanchan and Mrs. Rita to welcome our honorable guest with Tika and badge. मंच रोशन हुआ, जगमगाहट मिली, हर्ष आनंद की खिलखिलाहट मिली। आपके आगमन से श्रीमान जी हर किसी को यहाँ मुस्कुराहट मिली। The art of hospitality is to make guests feel at home. भारत, हमारा भारत, सागर जिसके पांव पखारे, हिमालय जिसका सरताज है, गूंज रहा दुनिया में डंका भारत का। खुशियों का दिन आज है, खुशियों का दिन आज है। Hello ladies and gentlemen, a very warm good morning to each one of you present here. I, Navneet Kaur, staff faculty of Holy Cross Senior Secondary School, Lalkhadan, takes an opportunity to welcome our prestigious guest, Father Rashmikant Nair, esteemed Principal, Dr. Sister Clarita, Sister Renuka, Manager, Holy Cross, Lalkhadan, Sister Ajiya, Sister Madhu, benevolent teachers, and dear students. On this auspicious day, we have gathered to celebrate India's 75th Independence Day function on this 15th August 2021. Therefore, I wish each one of you a very, very happy Independence Day. I also take privilege to introduce our Honorable Chief Guest, His Excellency Father Rashmikant. Father, you hardly need any introduction. You work as a social work director at Palatine Welfare Center, Bilaspur. Born in 1973, Father completed his Masters in Business and Accounts from Annamalai University, Chennai, and currently he is pursuing PhD. Now, I would like to request Sister Renuka to welcome our guest of honor by presenting him sapling as a token of love and respect.
Father Rashmikant had contributed towards the quality training and motivational programs. He works to provide innovative pathways for the better and outstanding achievements. I sincerely take pride to introduce Father's distinguished work in numerous capacities.
दे सलामी तिरंगे को कि इसमें तेरी शान है, दे सलामी तिरंगे को कि इसमें तेरी शान है, सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना इसका, जब तक दिल में जान है, जब तक दिल में जान है. Now we will have our traditional auspicious flag hosting ceremony as a tribute to our motherland. So I request respected father to please do the honor. I also request Sister Ajia and Sister Renuka to accompany him. Please, father.
जय
भारत माता की
जय
भारत माता की
जय
वंदे
मातरम
वंदे
मातरम
वंदे
India is my country,
India is my country,
and all Indians are
and all Indians are
my brothers
my brothers
and sisters.
and sisters.
I love my country,
I love my country,
and I am proud of its
proud of its
rich and varied heritage.
rich and varied heritage.
I shall always strive to be
Strive to be
worthy of it.
worthy of it.
I shall give respect
I shall give respect
to my parents,
to my parents,
teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy.
with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and my people,
and my people,
I pledge my devotion
I pledge my devotion
in their well-being
in their well-being
and prosperity alone
and prosperity alone
lies my happiness.
lies my happiness.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Welcoming is an art and it sprouts from the heart. To express it, may I request Sister Madhu to welcome you all on this wonderful occasion.
Good morning, everyone. Honorable Chief Guest, Reverend Father Rashmikant, respected teachers, parents, friends, well-wishers, and students. It is an absolute honor for me to stand here today and welcome you all to the celebration of our independence. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate the courage and action of our freedom fighters who have led us to this day. Today we complete 75 years of independence, and what a long road it has been to reach and breathe in an independent nation. This would not have been possible without our forefathers, freedom fighters, and the brave Jawans who fearlessly fought. Until today, many brave fighters and soldiers are still protecting us from other nations by putting their lives on the border so that we could be with our families and be home safe at the end of the day. It is our bounden duty to carry this spirit forward. That is the sense of equality, respect for everyone, kindness, compassion, honesty, love, and brotherhood. Taking our morning further and to begin with the Independence Day celebration, I, Sister Madhu, on behalf of Principal Sister Clarita, management, staff, and everyone present here, once again, hearty welcome to our most honorable Chief Guest, Reverend Father Rashmikant, who belongs to the Pallottine Society, who is a zealous social worker, brilliant educationist, and at present, Director of Pallottine Welfare Center, Shanti Niwas, Bilaspur. I am especially thankful to him for accepting our invitation to grace this day by his precious presence. Dear Father, we are very grateful to you. I acknowledge the hard work and cooperation of all teaching and non-teaching staff. At last, once again, I wish all happy Independence Day and hope together we can build a wonderful nation. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you so much, respected sister. आओ झुककर सलाम करें उन्हें जिनकी जिंदगी में मुकाम आया है। आओ झुककर सलाम करें उन्हें जिनकी जिंदगी में मुकाम आया है। किस कदर खुश नसीब है वो लोग जिनका लहू भारत के काम आया है। I would like to call Mrs. Kanchan to instill patriotic sentiment in our hearts. So please welcome her.
Thank you, Navneet ma'am. I am privileged to get an opportunity to speak on this auspicious occasion. Mahatma Gandhi said, "Freedom is never dear at any price. It is the birth of life. What would a man not pay for living?" Freedom is the most fundamental thing in life, and there is no value for it that can be paid. A person can do anything to achieve his independence. Respected Principal Sister, Honorable Chief Guest, Father Rashmikant, teachers, parents, a very warm and blissful good morning to you all. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy 75th Independence Day. Today we all gathered here in this celebration with great gaiety and favor to acknowledge our privilege of being born in a free India and celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our country. Because India becomes independent from the British Empire on 15th August 1947 after lots of hardship and sacrifices of the brave Indian freedom fighters. Martin Luther King Jr. said, "Freedom is never voluntarily given by the oppressor. It must be demanded by the oppressed." Freedom fighters struggled to make our country free from the Britishers and sacrificed their life for the country. They devoted their entire life for the freedom of our country. As a result of their struggles, India got independence from British rule on 15th August. Hence, in this day, we not only celebrate our independence, but also dignifies to those who fought for it, to the ones who held a prospect of our country, and to the ones who sacrificed themselves for our motherland and dedicated their life in the battle of India's independence. We tribute our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, Chandrasekhar Azad, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Sukhdev, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Lala Lajpat Rai and all. Our visionary freedom fighter collected a diversity of world views to forge a common nation courage towards one direction. They were given away to the cause of liberating Bharat Mata from outrageous and tyrannical foreign regime and ensure the future of her children. Their intention and actions build the identity of India as a modern nation. We gained freedom when we paid the full price. Our nation is like a tree in which the original trunk is Swaraj and the branches are Swadesi and boycott. Lal Bahadur Shastri said, "The preservation of freedom is not the task of soldiers alone. The whole nation has to be strong." I would like to say that we are fortunate to be an Indian and live freely as a proud citizen of our country. So let's celebrate today with great enthusiasm and exuberance. As we are the youth generation, it's our duty to serve the nation and keep up the legacy of doing something great for our following generation, and we'll make it. Let's all work together for the growth and development of our motherland and make every possible effort to restore the lost kudos and majesty and take our country to the superior rank in the leagues of nations. Thank you all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.
Thank you so much, Kanchan ma'am. Now, we will proceed to our next program, that is group song by our teachers. लहू मेरा है तेरे लिए, ये जान तेरे हवाले है। लहू मेरा है तेरे लिए, ये जान तेरे हवाले है। सीमा के पहरेदार हम, वतन के रखवाले हैं। भारत मेरा स्वर्ग से सुंदर, भारत ही प्यारा है। भारत मेरा स्वर्ग से सुंदर, भारत ही प्यारा है। रहे तिरंगा लहराता, तीन रंग ये निराले हैं। लहू मेरा है तेरे लिए, ये जान तेरे हवाले है। So let's hear our teachers.
मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन। मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन। इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा तन मेरा मन। ऐ वतन ऐ वतन ऐ वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन। ऐ वतन ऐ वतन ऐ वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन। मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन। से बने तेरे मेरे ये बदन, इसकी धरती तेरे मेरे वास्ते गगन। इसने ही सिखाया हमको जीने का चलन, जीने का चलन। इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा तन मेरा मन। ऐ वतन ऐ वतन ऐ वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन। मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन। अपने इस चमन को स्वर्ग हम बनाएंगे, कोना कोना अपने देश का सजाएंगे। जश्न होगा जिंदगी का, होंगे सब मगन होंगे सब मगन। इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा तन मेरा मन। वतन जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन मेरा मुल्क मेरा देश मेरा ये वतन शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा मन मेरा मन है वतन है वतन है वतन जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन है वतन है वतन है वतन जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन
थैंक यू। जय हिंद।
कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाते हुए और कुछ इसी प्रकार देश के प्रति प्रेम दिखाने आ रही हैं पीपीटी की छात्राएं। सो प्लीज वेलकम देम विथ ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज।
वतन के लोगों जरा आँख में भर लो पानी जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी ठंड से आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं वो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछे जाते हैं कि घर कब लाओगे कि घर कब लाओगे लिखो कब लाओगे कि तुम मिले हैं सुना सुना है मैं गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी जो मेरे साथ थी मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत प्यार है बस तेरा प्यार ही माँ तुझे सलाम तुझे सलाम
अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते हैं रहना अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना
क्योंकि तेरे आगे सर तेरी गोद मेरा घर है तुझे सलाम इंडिया क्योंकि तेरे आगे सर तेरी गोद मेरा घर है तुझे सलाम इंडिया
भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है सबसे प्यारा हिंदुस्तान हमारा है भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है सबसे प्यारा हिंदुस्तान हमारा है
मेरे देश की धरती मेरे देश की धरती सोना उगले उगले हीरे मोती मेरे देश की धरती मेरे देश की धरती
हमको तेरी कसम तेरी राहों में जाकर खो जाएंगे पूरी चीज़ है तेरे कदमों में हम तेरे अपने सरों की जगह जाएंगे मैं वतन मैं वतन।
Thank you so much, dear students.
let us take some time to value our nation and never forget the sacrifices. Now, I would like to call Mrs. Kamaljeet to present a true spirit of patriotism by her speech.
धन्यवाद नवनीत। आदरणीय मुख्य अतिथि महोदय रश्मिकांत, सम्माननीय प्रधानाचार्य महोदया डॉक्टर सिस्टर क्लैरिटा मेलो और माननीय सिस्टर्स, अभिभावक और शिक्षकगण, आपको एक बहुत सुप्रभात की शुभकामनाएं। आज हम यहाँ स्वतंत्रता दिवस की 75वीं वर्षगांठ को बहुत ही शुभ अवसर के रूप में मनाने के लिए एकत्रित हुए हैं। हालांकि इस वर्ष भी कोरोना महामारी फैली हुई है, फिर भी स्वतंत्रता दिवस को लेकर हम सबके उत्साह में कोई कमी नहीं है। हमें भारतीय होने पर गर्व महसूस होता है। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, 15 अगस्त 1947 के दिन भारत के प्रथम प्रधानमंत्री पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी ने दिल्ली के लाल किले के लाहौरी गेट के ऊपर राष्ट्रध्वज फहराया था, जिसके चलते तभी से प्रत्येक वर्ष स्वतंत्रता दिवस पर हमारे देश के प्रधानमंत्री लाल किले पर झंडा फहराते हैं। 200 साल की ब्रिटिश साम्राज्य की गुलामी के बाद 15 अगस्त 1947 का दिन हमारे देश का सबसे स्वर्णिम दिन कहा जाता है। यह दिन बहुत ही खुशी और उत्साह के साथ मनाया जाता है। लहराएगा तिरंगा अब सारे आसमान पर, लहराएगा तिरंगा अब सारे आसमान पर, भारत का ही नाम होगा सबकी जुबान पर, ले लेंगे उसकी जान या खेलेंगे अपनी जान पर, कोई जो उठाएगा आंख हिंदुस्तान पर, कोई जो उठाएगा आंख हिंदुस्तान पर। आज हम सभी अपने अधिकारों के लिए स्वतंत्र हैं और खेल, शिक्षा, वित्त आदि जैसे किसी भी क्षेत्र में दुनिया के किसी भी देश को हरा सकते हैं। भारत ओलंपिक राष्ट्रमंडल खेलों, एशियाई खेलों में सक्रिय रूप से भाग ले रहा है और हिम्मत दिखा रहा है कि हम भी प्रत्येक क्षेत्र में, दुनिया के लिए प्रत्येक क्षेत्र में स्पर्धा कर सकते हैं और अपने लिए सरकार का चयन करने के लिए स्वतंत्र हैं। और हम दुनिया के सबसे बड़े लोकतांत्रिक देश हैं, क्योंकि हमें ऐसे स्वतंत्रता सेनानी मिले जिन्होंने अपना जीवन और परिवार की परवाह नहीं की। वे सिर्फ राष्ट्र के लिए जिए और राष्ट्र के लिए पूर्ण रूप से समर्पित हुए। देश के इन वीर योद्धाओं की वजह से हम स्वतंत्र हुए हैं और उन लोगों को श्रद्धांजलि देते हुए इस दिन को मनाते हैं। उन्होंने स्वतंत्र राष्ट्र बनाने के लिए अंतिम सांस तक लड़ाई लड़ी। हमारी एक दिन की सलामी ने कुछ भी नहीं किया जो इन्होंने किया और बलिदान दिया। एक दिन में प्रत्येक स्वतंत्रता सेनानी के योगदान को याद रखना संभव नहीं है, लेकिन हम उनके आदर्शों का पालन करते हुए उनको सलाम और सम्मान कर सकते हैं। आइए 15 अगस्त के शुभ अवसर पर उन वीरों को करें नमन। आपसी कलह के कारण वर्षों पहले परतंत्र हुआ। आपसी कलह के कारण वर्षों पहले परतंत्र हुआ। 15 अगस्त सन 47 को अपना देश स्वतंत्र हुआ। 15 अगस्त सन 47 को अपना देश स्वतंत्र हुआ। उन वीरों को हम नमन करें, उन वीरों को हम नमन करें जिनने अपनी कुर्बानी दी, निज प्राणों की परवाह ना कर भारत को नई रवानी दी। उन माताओं को याद करें जिनने अपने प्रिय लाल दिए, उन माताओं को याद करें जिनने अपने प्रिय लाल दिए। मस्तक मां का ऊंचा करने को उन्होंने बड़े कमाल किए। बिस्मिल सुभाष तात्या टोपे, आजाद भगत सिंह दीवाने। बिस्मिल सुभाष तात्या टोपे, आजाद भगत सिंह दीवाने। सिर कफन बांध कर चलते थे आजादी के यह परवाने। देश को आजाद कराने को जब पहना केसरिया बाना, तिलक लगा बहने बोली भैया विजयी होकर आना। माताएं बोल रही बेटा बंसी कूदना तुम रण में, माताएं बोल रही बेटा बंसी कूदना तुम रण में। साहस शौर्य पराक्रम से मार भगाना क्षण भर में। दुश्मन को धूल चटा करके वीरों ने ध्वज फहराया था। जाबाजी से पाविजय श्री भारत को आजाद कराया था। स्वर्णिम इतिहास ले आया है यह गौरवशाली दिवस आज। श्रद्धा से नमन कर रहा है भारत का यह सारा समाज। जय हिंद हमारे वीरों का सबसे सशक्त शुभ मंत्र हुआ। 15 अगस्त सन 47 को अपना देश स्वतंत्र हुआ। 15 अगस्त सन 47 को अपना देश स्वतंत्र हुआ। लोगों को किसी भी चीज के प्रति जागरूक करने के लिए शिक्षा सबसे महत्वपूर्ण माध्यम है और पूरे भारत को शिक्षित करने के लिए भारतीय नेताओं द्वारा बनाया गया कार्यक्रम बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाता है। हमारे वैज्ञानिक भी ज्ञान का योगदान दे रहे हैं और असंभव को संभव बना रहे हैं, चाहे वह चंद्रयान को चंद्रमा पर भेजने का एक महत्वपूर्ण मिशन हो या फिर मंगल ग्रह पर भेजा गया मंगलयान हो। अंतिम शब्दों में मैं यही कहना चाहूंगी कि कुछ भी सोचने से कुछ भी नहीं बदल सकता। आप अगर कुछ बदलना चाहते हैं तो आपको कड़ी मेहनत करनी होगी और आपकी कड़ी मेहनत से वह बदल जाएगा। यदि आप तैरना चाहते हैं तो समुद्र में तैरें, यदि आप तैरना चाहते हैं तो समुद्र में तैरें। नदी और तालाब में कुछ भी नहीं है। यदि आप प्यार करना चाहते हैं तो अपने देश से प्यार करें, दूसरों में क्या है। जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे वंदे वंदे। धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, Kamaljeet ma'am. Freedom and power brings responsibility. Today is the day to remember our great leaders who accomplished the task of gaining independence for the nation. I now extend my warm welcome to our Honorable Chief Guest, Father Rashmikant, to address us with the independence speech. Father, please.
Respected Principal, Sister Clarita, the management of this school, respected teachers, the non-teaching staff, and the sisters and my dear students of Independent India. At the very outset, I would request everyone to pause for a moment to recall the freedom fighters who gone before us. I request all of you to stand for a moment. Thank you. Kindly be seated. Today we are commemorating the historical event of India. If I would ask every Indian, the day we got freedom from the British, and everyone would agree with me that indeed it is true that we are freed. To recall the significance of this day, we go back to the history that taught many things. Indeed, we are privileged today to witness this great event while recalling every year gathering together such institutions where we impart the knowledge to our students, or indeed we receive also the knowledge from the situations and the places all around. I would like to sincerely acknowledge the life these freedom fighters led. is a great example for the whole nation. हम लोगों ने उनको नहीं देखे, सच्चाई वो है, लेकिन जरूर हम लोगों ने उनके बारे में पढ़ा है, सुना है। जिस तरीके के खून उन्होंने बहाया देश के प्रति, उस खून को हम गिनती नहीं कर सकते, परंतु जिस प्रकार के ज्ञान और सच्चाई उन्होंने इस दुनिया में और विशेष करके हमारे देश के लिए उन्होंने बांटा, उसको हम कभी भूल नहीं सकते। The history of India and its independence is an epic in the freedom fight and a challenge to destiny. With the beginning of a new era, each year India tries to unfold itself with vibrant force of pomp, progress and perseverance. Diving deep into the reels of India's history, we get to see how our freedom fighters and the sons of India fought for winning the battle and envisioned rising India to be an independent nation. Their invaluable sacrifices led us to live today in a civilized state, with each night sleeping comfortably on our bed. It is an inspiration to all humanity, and for all to have courage, the pride of being born in this country. The echoes of the patriotic songs make the ambience of this day to resound or remold India has a unique identity. Dear people of India, today we all are here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in a free India and celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our country. We need to ask those born before 1947 to know the pangs of anguish of being enslaved under colonial rule. For every India in those days, it was indeed a Herculean task to fight against those powerful giants, the British. Those difficult times and struggles must not be allowed to fade away from our memories. Hence, every Independence Day, we not only celebrate our freedom, but we also pay tribute to ones who fought for it, to the ones who led a vision for our country, and to the ones who sacrificed themselves for the same. On this occasion, our thoughts turn first to Mahatma Gandhi, the man behind our struggle for freedom, and the martyrs who, gone before us, made a supreme sacrifice for India. And today, we remember them and their struggles to identify and to know how every Indian should be freed. As we are gathered here, at the end of this speech of mine, I would recall the three very important values that they have lived. The first one is is a respect. The first thing it would have touched their life was respecting the humanity, those who were under slavery. And they wanted that we should get freedom. If they would have not respected the humanity, probably they would have not fought for it. The second one is sacrifice. My dear parents and all present here, the greatest value today is that sacrificing for the nation, sacrificing our life, sacrificing our time, sacrificing our energy, and overall sacrificing everything for the good of the nation. I would say they were not selfish in their life. A selfless sacrifice for the good of the nation. And that is the point we need to ponder on, we need to think about, that how they sacrificed themselves. The last, the commitment. Commitment is a great concern for each one of us. We can live a life, no matter what it would be. But then we need to make a commitment for the nation, for the development, for anything else. And I would very pleasantly see all of you making commitment for the growth of the nation. Your little contribution, putting a great effort, that others realize that how committed you are. Maybe in the field of education, the field of social work, or in the field of different setup. Commitment is a great concern. Today, being a member or a citizen of this country, I would proudly say that we are really freed. The freedom we have received. And it is up to us how freely we act upon that freedom that we have received. Our generations are passing by and we are growing so much so that everywhere we could see the progress. And indeed, it is a very, very pleasant feeling for us that we are growing every day. Our nation is growing. We all are making effort to take this nation in a greatest height. We at this moment should feel proud being Indian, and we need to find time to contribute for the growth of the nation in little ways possible. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you so much, Father, for your inspiring words.
I request respected Sister Ajia to please present memento to our honorable guest. Father, please accept it as a token of gratitude. Thank you so much, Father.
I don't know whether I would get a next chance to speak something. So before that, I thought I would sincerely thank Sister Clarita and the management, the sisters, and you all dear teachers and the students. Indeed, I'm really glad today to be here, and I never thought that I would get such an opportunity to come over here. Today I have 3 programs. This is the first one, and in the slum I have to distribute some food packets to some poor people in the slum. So it is a part of the social work, and this is a wonderful day to have such program. And I have a 3rd program of my students. I am giving a free spoken English classes for the 60 students in the village locality. And I will feel that I contribute little of my knowledge to these people, these children who are unprivileged. And this is all unprivileged children. And I have kept a special program for them around 3 o'clock. You are most welcome. And we have so many programs for them. So I was just telling sister whether I could find time to come over here. But then usually I don't say no. So I said, definitely I'll make a point to come over there. And that's how I am here. And I really thank those sister. Principal is not here, but the management is here, all the sisters, and you all dear teachers. Yeah, nice to see you after a long time. Yeah. And I really liked the way you sang the Deshbhakti song. No? Wonderful. I really liked it very much, and well composed. I mean, well blended together. Yeah, very nice. And you all are good singers. Yeah, very nice singers. I really liked it, and continue to have the same spirit. And of course, a few students are here, and the man I'm giving is really wonderful. And all those who have given speeches. Yeah, very nice and good singing. So I thank everyone, and wish you all the best for the future. And may God bless you.
Great people are called great because they do great. So as our father, on behalf of my teachers, I really appreciate the work you do, Father. Gratitude is the mother of all virtues. To extend our gratitude to everyone who made this program a great success, I would like to call Mrs. Shubhanka Bhattacharya to propose the vote of thanks.
Honorable Chief Guest, Father Rashmikant, respected Sister Ajaya, Sister Renuka, the manager, Sister Madhu, the superior, Sister Clarita, the principal, Sister Susmita, teachers, and my dear students. A very good morning to all, and wish you a very happy Independence Day. I am Shubhanka Bhattacharya, a faculty member of the school. I feel proud to propose this vote of thanks on behalf of Holy Cross Senior Secondary School, Lal Khadan. We are all grateful to all our freedom fighters who sacrificed everything for the independence of our country. We are highly grateful our chief guest for giving his valuable time. As he said, he is having already 3 programs today, and sharing his thoughts with us. We are thankful to you, Father. Next, we would like to express our deep sense of thankfulness to our principal, the management, teachers, and non-teaching staff for taking initiative in arranging this program. Further, we would like to thank you, our students and parents, whose presence we are missing these days. Still, we have few with us. But still, they have shown their enthusiasm and tried their level best for making this event successful. Once again, I thank you one and all and take your leave with a grateful heart. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, dear ma'am. Reach high, for the stars lie in you. Dream deep, for every dream proceeds the goal. On the behalf of Holy Cross Senior Secondary School, Lalkadan, I sum up and once again wish you a very happy Independence Day. Bharat Mata Ki
जय
Bharat Mata Ki
जय
Bharat Mata Ki
जय
Everyone, my name is Sandhi Pandey from class 4th B. Today we all are here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in a free India and celebrate 75th Independence Day of our country. We need to ask those born before 1947 to know the pang of anguish of enslaved under the colonial rule. Those difficulty, time and struggle must not be allowed to fade away from our memories. Every Independence Day, we not only celebrate our freedom, but we also pay tribute of ones who fought for it. However, this year, just like the year, there will be no grand celebration and social gathering due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you. Happy Independence Day. जय हिंद. भारत माता की जय.
तलवारों पे सरवार दिए, अंगारों में जिस्म जलाया है, तब जाके कहीं हमने सर पे ये केसरी रंग सजाया है। ऐ मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी ये रहे ना रहे। ओ मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी, मेरे नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस मुँह से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। वो
थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था, ना देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के, तेरा मेरा साथ यही तक था। ये तेरी ज़मीं तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है रांझे, तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
very good morning to all my respected sisters, teachers, parents and my dear friends. Today we all are gathered here to celebrate this great national festival that is our Independence Day. I am feeling so proud to be an Indian citizen. I have such a great chance to give a speech on Independence Day in front of you all. So for this I would like to thank my respected teachers who had given me this chance to share my views in front of you all on this Independence Day. We know that Independence Day is a very auspicious occasion for all of us. Today we are free because of our great Indian leaders and freedom fighters who have struggled hard for so many years to get freedom against British rule. Today is a very significant day for all of us, which we celebrate remembering our great freedom fighters who had given their life for freedom and prosperity of India. As a result, today we are free and living in our own motherland. In the last, I would like to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Thank you.
A very happy Independence Day to all of you. On this auspicious occasion of Independence Day, I am going to deliver a speech on the topic of patriotism.
Patriotism is an act of being courageous and being able to sacrifice one's own country. It is a virtue that pushes the citizens of the country to work for their country devotedly and selflessly. A country can't be called a developed nation only if it succeeds in the field of economy and literacy. True patriots are the backbone of the country. True patriotism is only when one thinks about his country before he thinks about himself. It is tested in crucial times like war, pandemic, natural disasters, and nation emergencies. Moreover, with the real sense of patriotism comes the sense of responsibility. In fact, a soldier is not only a true patriot. The one who does his work with full loyalty, dignity, and dedication is a true patriot. Showcasing love for the country on the occasions like Independence Day, Republic Day, etc. is not a true patriotism. Patriotism inculcates the feeling of pride and respecting the values of our nation. It helps to build up bonds with fellow countrymen, and it also helps in promoting the idea of fraternity. Patriotism can never be spoon-fed nor can be taught, because it is one of the purest feelings that a man develops on his own. So, one must imbibe in him the virtue of patriotism to help the country prosper. Jai Hind.
ओ रांझना वे तेरी सांसों पे थोड़ा सा वतन का भी हक था। ना देख मुझे यूं मुड़ मुड़ के, तेरा मेरा साथ यही तक था। ये तेरी ज़मीं तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है रांझे। तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के, मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।